Hey guys, Dr. Aaron Hancock here, Discover Health and Wellness Aurora. I just want to talk to you about what chiropractic is. Most people come to us with headaches, neck pain, back pain, sciatic pain, but the reason chiropractic is so effective for other things as well is we're working directly with your nervous system, and that's all done through the spine. The way your body works is your brain is always sending nerve energy down the spinal cord, out through all of these nerves to your cells, tissues, and organs. And when that's functioning at 100%, that's when you're functioning at 100%. Whenever the spine is misaligned or shifted out of place, that's when there's a glitch in the system. So what we do is we realign your spine, allowing the brain to send that nerve energy out to your body, and as a result, you're functioning at a much higher level. Discover Health and Wellness has been in the Denver area for the last 20 years. We've got great Google reviews, thousands of satisfied patients over the years. So come on down, see us at Discover Health and Wellness Aurora. If we can help you, we'll let you know that. If we can't, we'll let you know that as well, and do our best to get you referred out to someone who can. Thanks and have a great day.